This is Dr. Rahul Pandya. Welcome to our channel. Linking the research gap with the problem statement is essential for building a strong foundation in any research work. The process begins with identifying the clear gap. This means pointing out what previous studies have overlooked, whether it is the theoretical limitation or a methodological shortcoming or an unexplored context. Once the gap is identified, the next step is to explain why it matters. Emphasize the academic or practical significance of addressing this gap. This shows the value and necessity of your study. Finally, transform the identified gap into a precise problem statement. The research gap highlights what is missing, while the problem statement defines what your study will address. In essence, the research gap represents the why, and the problem statement defines what. Connecting them effectively makes your research both meaningful and credible. Follow and subscribe for more insights into effective research practices.